Okay, so here we are. We have the rib nut tool. As you can see, this is how you use it. You pretty much just take the rib nut, spin it all the way on till it's fully tight. And then as you can see, I have it open. This way it's ready to be installed. And you pretty much just put it in the hole that you drilled and then just pull it closed and then unscrew it.
Alright, what's up guys? So we're back here on the channel for another video. And this one we got something special. It's been a long time and I've been waiting for a while to do this. So go ahead and explain. So last year we had an issue with the body work. I actually got it rammed in the back on the side of the quarter panel, which is okay. I was able to do most of the work myself, but there was some imperfections, but it gave me an opportunity to purchase something I always wanted to purchase on my car. So if you look over on this side, I already got it installed. This is the Monster Service rear fender Widebody kit on here. I went ahead to install this on the other side. I went ahead and didn't record it. It was pretty quick. I just wanted to test fit it. It fits very nice. I still had to take it off and cut the inside, which I'll make a video of that. But then I just wanted to make a video of me, installing everything and showing you how I got the screws on the side of the inside the car and also. So stick along and watch the video. Alright guys, so here we are back on another beautiful day. So as you can see, I was putting up, sorry for the wind behind me. It's actually my fan. So today we got doing the biggest part of the car, and that is actually cutting up the fender on the Genesis. Now most of you guys probably know the same feeling I'm going through, and is why would you want to cut your fender? I did not, but due to my circumstances of what I showed you yesterday, I was left with no choice. I always wanted the wide body look, but I never wanted to actually cut up my fender just because nobody wants to go through that type of pain. So here we are. As you can see, this is a look of what we did with the red nuts by drilling a hole, and I showed you guys that yesterday and actually put them in. So this is what I did on this side. It doesn't look too bad because most likely when I do hit the drift track, I'm going to take the fenders off and I would drift like this. I don't really care what it looks like. It's not really a big deal to me, and I don't want to crush my fiberglass wide body. I already put the tape out, pretty much cut this arc. Show you guys what we're going to do. We're going to slice it, put a bunch of pie cuts in it, fold it back up, and then I'm going to weld it back in. Will it going to come out the best looking job? No. Am I hoping? Some decent like. My plan is not to really destroy this car. I want to keep it as good as it is, but it is a fun toy for me. So let's get to work. Always start with a new disc. It makes your life 10 times easier. It makes a difference. Alright, so this is what it looks like right now. I went ahead and cut pizza cuts in them, just so I could bend them up and then weld them actually to the liner right here. So I just got to sand this down, get this to bare metal. And I mean, I don't have the greatest welder right now. Actually, I do. I just don't have gas in it, so I got to use the flux welder. But I'm pretty much going to just tack a bunch of beads, a bunch of solid beads going down, just to prevent water from seeping into the quarter panel and creating rust. Of course, you want to spray this down with some type of spray paint or, rust coat, but we'll go ahead and do that, when we get there. So sorry I had to cut the video short. It was starting to get dark. It's been about 2 or 3 days. I was actually working on a project. I was just trying to get it done or so. I ended up finishing it, but I will make a part 2 video actually going more in depth. I do have to fix a few more errors, actually, bondoing, stuff like that under the Widebody itself. It will be painted, so it's not like it's the last time we're ever going to do this. We will come back to it as soon as possible. But we got other things we have to take care of at the yard. Other than that, we stay very busy. Not everything gets put on camera. I apologize if I had more time and more daylight. Videos would be, edited a lot better, a lot more content, which is some reason why I don't record everything. But just give you an update. So I apologize for the short video, but hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.